Your mission is to share Jesus with them. You may have been unaware that God holds you responsible for the unbelievers who live around you. The Bible says you must warn them so they may live. If you don't speak out to warn the weak to stop their evil ways, they will die in their sin. But I will hold you responsible for their death. Your mission is a wonderful privilege, although it is a big responsibility. It is also an incredible honor to be used by God. Paul said, God has given us the privilege of urging everyone to come into His favor and be reconciled to Him.